Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I thought I would recreate a video that was very popular, which was how to create a custom enemy in Roblox. I'm going to be adding a couple things that you guys wanted in the other video into this video. And yeah, so the other video, my editing software glitched out and it messed it up, so a lot of people got confused. So hopefully I can remake it and it won't be so confusing. So first we're going to make the character. So we're just going to build a quick little model. So if you wanted to add like more parts to this, it's very simple. So here, I'll create a very basic idea. So let's say you're making an arm and you want it to have multiple spots like this. Let's say you're making a spider or something. So to do that, here, let me group it so I can go into rig editor. It should work without anything. Okay, so you just want to go into the parts. So you want to rig this one to the first one, and then you just go over, put it where the rotation is, and then vice versa, so that there, rotation. So okay, and now we're just going to add in a script. Now, a couple things you guys wanted is you wanted it to where when this thing dies, if you kill it, it'll drop you something. And you also wanted it to where if you're on a certain team, then it won't kill you. So we'll have a couple of them based on the thing. So we're actually going to use a new thing called attributes. So let's
Jack it up. Jack it up.
So once it dies, it'll make a coin wherever it died. So we have coins dropping there, coins here, coins. So yeah, when it dies, it drops a coin. We can do, if we touch the coin, we get money, and then it destroys a coin, and a whole bunch of things. But yeah, that'll be for a different video if you guys want that. It's very simple, actually. Just in the coin, you just make a script, make a touched event. So when it gets touched, it'll just give the player money. So you have to set up a money script, which takes about 4 seconds. Data store takes about a couple minutes, and then you just get data store, and then you get money, and then you GUI show you how much money you have. And yeah, guys, so that's pretty much the whole video. Yeah, pretty much redid that. Add a couple things that you guys suggested in the comments. I'll put the comments on screen before I started to show you guys what I was talking about. Yeah, guys, so I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next one. See ya.